got the blast here, sitting here purring like a kitten. Yeah. I don't need to let it sit there and burn gas, especially since I know it's probably getting hot. He's gonna come back up this hill. I'm taking the sunlight off. This is exciting as heck. I love it. This thing is fast for a mini bike. Oh my lord. It has no brakes or suspension.
Yeah, that's why I don't have a Yamaha blaster straight up.
Yeah. Okay, now it's my turn to get over there.
You want to go look for my gas tank? Me and him, yeah. Alright. You picking up Haley?
Guys, I don't know what to do about this. Oh, don't bite me. Braden? This is, Braden's room. He needs a vacuum. But he also has 2 vacuums. A shop vac. And then, what is this? Power Force Helix Turbo. Except the turbo brush part is broken off. Factory option.
That's called a Picostomus.
Oh, wait.
And then here's my turtle. Where'd my turtle go? There's my turtle.
Well, let me turn the flash. Oh, it's so cute. Look, it reminds me of Turtling.
And then that's all I got. Wait. I should
And
have
your filter tray.
Yep.
Oof, dog.
Come here, girl.
Okay, so now Braden's gonna
Her
put
name's
this.
Squeezers.
Braden is going to take the snake and put it around his neck.
Her name is Squeezers. Hold up.
Squeezers.
Yeah, because she squeezes real hard. Hold up.
That's not a good idea, Braden.
No, she's done it too many times. My little sister's got a video of it. Now she's just not gonna do it.
Well, that's probably a good thing.
She's done it.
So
she
what
did
kind
that
of?
This month. There we go. Look, she's doing it now.
So what kind of dog is this called again?
French bulldog.
Oh no! Oh no!